Why does our tax structure and code need to be reformed in the first place? What's wrong with it?
Well, our tax code, like actually the federal tax code, biases against investment, entrepreneurship, saving, work effort. All these things are things that create economic growth. So there's an inherent bias in our system and the way the tax system is structured, particularly with the income tax, corporate income tax, that discourages economic growth and therefore job creation and therefore social well-being.
How does it discourage economic growth?
Well, let's start with our income tax system, which is the most egregious, both personal and corporate. Our income tax system, as with the federal, double taxes or reduces the returns is really a better way of looking at it. The returns to investment, saving, entrepreneurship twice, while reducing the returns to consumption only once. And it does this by taxing the returns to saving and investment, interest, dividends, capital gains, and so on. So those things create an inherent bias against those kinds of activities in the system. So one of the main principles of tax reform that should guide North Carolina policymakers is something called neutrality. And what we mean by that is that the tax system in a free society especially should be neutral with respect to people's decision making. The most fundamental decision that people make with $1 of income is, do I want to consume it or do we want to invest and save it?